Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I'm going to make a Juan Ho Royale and a Blue Wave cocktail. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. And also Mookie and I are going to get some takeout at the Himalayan restaurant right here in Calgary, Alberta. So sit back, relax, pour yourself a drink. Mookie and I have saved you a seat at Chappy's Tiki Bar. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is my bar. With me as always is Mookie. This is Fred, he's a regular at our bar. So today we're going to get a little takeout, but first I'm going to make a drink. We're going to do a... What are we going to do? We're going to do a Blue Wave. So I'll get my cocktail shaker. Okay, a little ice in the cocktail shaker. It calls for ½ ounce of blue carousel. That's like 2 ounces, but who's counting? ½ ounce of peach schnapps. I have some Dr. McGillicuddy's. Ounce of sweet and sour mix. And an ounce of white rum. Give it a shaky. And I have a nice umbrella with some maraschino cherries. And that is a Blue Wave. All right, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. But first up, Mookie and I are going to get a little takeout. We're going to get food from a restaurant from Nepal. It's called Himalayan. I believe food from Nepal is similar to East Indian food, but we're going to find out, aren't we, Mooks? All right. Coming up, some food from Nepal. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for appetizer I have some plantains. It's a popular side dish in Latin America. So I just cut them into coins and fried them in oil, a little salt, and that's my Appies with Chappy by the lake. Now we need a beverage to go with that. So today I'm making a Juan Ho Royale. Now this has champagne in it, so a champagne glass might be better. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime, ½ ounce of orgeat. Orgeat is almond simple syrup. I made orgeat on my Mai Tai episode, so check that out. ½ ounce of blue carousel. ½ ounce of flarenum. I made flarenum on my Game Day Part 2 episode. And then 1 1/2 ounce of tequila. And then you're supposed to top it off with champagne. Now I have a champagne substitute. It just says cola champagne, but it looks kind of tropical. It says Famous Island Soda Cola Champagne, but you're really supposed to just use champagne. And that is a Juan Ho Royale to go with my fried plantains. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like, and if you've already subscribed, hit that notification bell, and that'll remind you when Mookie wants to do a new video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's just down there. It's that big red button. Come on now, hit it. All right. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.